Tripoli, and welcome to episode 4 regarding the renovation here at the West Bay Golf House. I'm actually standing right now where the wine wall will be. The wine wall is going to provide separation between the signature bar area and the private dining room. Over here to my right, you've seen a lot of metal studs going up. This is putting in the wall for the storage area and the eventual support kitchen for this area. I want to particularly focus in on the signature bar. What's going on right now is the actual perimeter of the bar is going in, as you can see. And if we'll come close, I want to show you. Last week I talked about a process called core drilling. And that was the process of drilling through the floor so we can provide proper area for drainage and the electrical to run and operate the actual signature bar. That has been completed, and you can see the work is continuing on. This is going to be an exceptional, exciting area for you and your fellow members to enjoy, and we look forward so much to you enjoying this space. I am now standing in the ladies' locker room. Not only do we have a new location, as you're well aware of, for the ladies' locker room, but we've got an exciting space for you to enjoy. I'm actually standing in one of the areas where the bank of lockers will actually be. We've got a tremendous amount of volume of space for you to enjoy, and the appropriate amount of lockers and a nice seating area for you. In addition, there's a large counter with 2 sinks and appropriate lighting for the ladies to go ahead and touch up their makeup and get ready for the evening's events that will be taking place in the main dining room. Very large vanity area with the appropriate amount of sinks, which is being flanked by an appropriate number of curtains as well as showers. Directly adjacent to the women's locker room is the new men's locker room space. I'm actually standing in the area where the lockers will be. In addition, a nice seating area, which will be facing a nice large screen TV, will be in here to accent and add to your enjoyment of the locker room facilities. I also want to point out some of the expansion that we're doing in this area. For the men, we also have a large vanity area with sinks, 2 urinals, an appropriate number of toilets as well as showers will be a part of the men's locker room. Well, as you can see from last week, we have quite a bit addition of walls going up, as we told you about last week. I look forward to our next video where this will all start to take even additional shape. Again, it is with much enthusiasm that we share the progress that's going on with the renovation. And for those of you that are here locally, I look forward to hosting with other people, other board members, walkthroughs of this space. And for those of you who are away, we certainly look forward to welcoming you back and surprising you with the new renovated space. Thank you very much.